Hey guys! So here we are with part 4 of this bloom pour journey. I have 2 more sets of tiles to show you today. I am, once again, using the mixture of Floetrol, Minwax Pre-stain with Amsterdam and Lukas Cryl pouring mediums. In this mix, it's 3 parts Floetrol, half a part Amsterdam, half a part Lukas Cryl, and about 8 to 12 drops of Pre-stain. This sounds like a lot, but mix it in really well. When I mix this batch to split into colors, I use 6 ounces of Floetrol, 1 ounce each of Amsterdam and Lukas Cryl, and around 15 to maybe 18 drops of Minwax. I mix that until I think my arm is going to fall off, and then I separate it out and mix my Activator colors in. This mixture just keeps giving awesome results. After testing out 6 more ratio mixtures, I'm actually thinking that it isn't the cell activator that's causing the cracks. After those tests had dried, I noticed the globs of base that had dried on the plastic sheeting had cracked. In the test that I just finished, I made sure that the pillow was nice and thin, and while not all of the ratios and mixtures worked perfectly, there was no cracking on any of the canvases. So what I'm thinking is this. After we get through this first mix of cell activator, I have 6 more to show you. I would like to get your feedback on which mixtures produce the best cells. I already have my thoughts, but I would like to share the results with you all to see which you like the best. Not everyone has the same taste when it comes to fluid acrylic cells. Some people enjoy tiny cells, others prefer the large-sized ones. So, I would like to hear from you guys. Which do you prefer? The upcoming cell activator mixtures produced a pretty wide variety of results, and I'd like to share the ratios of your favorites with you all. I started this channel as a way to share something that I'm pretty passionate about. I personally think that everyone should give acrylic pouring a shot at least once. It may not end up being for everyone, but there are many that find the same joy in it as I do. Pouring is a way to create unique art pieces for yourself or others. Some of the creativity that I've seen stem from acrylic pours just blows me away. Not only do you have these wonderful explosions of color, there are just so many ways to take them a step further. I just find it to be a great stepping stone into even more creativity. I wanted to create a channel that would be a source of easy to find information. As of editing this video, I'm sitting at 81 subscribers. I can't tell you how amazing that feels. I'm truly thankful for all of you. I would love to hear from you guys on what kind of content you're looking for the most. I've delved back into blooms lately, but if there are any other techniques that you would like for me to cover, please let me know in the comments. You can also find me on Instagram at New Normal Designs. I post pictures of finished pieces and any of the other small things that I've been working on. I think that wraps it up for me. Let me know below which set you like the best this time. It's really hard for me to decide on this one. The first set was just such a surprise that I immediately fell in love with them. But the shine and shimmer in the second one is just amazing. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.